Now I know why you clicked on this video. Let me take a guess, shall we? You are using n8n on your own hosting platform, most likely Hostinger. The bottom right, you see a little red dot there, something that says what's new, or you have some updates. You're wondering to yourself, how can you make this happen? Well, today we're gonna try to make that happen in under 3 minutes. Now, before we dive into that, do me a quick favor, please. It'd be awesome if you go ahead and smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, even turn that bell, because we have videos like these and others on this channel. My name is Ken, also known as the Super Tech God. We're going to go ahead and dive into that quick tutorial for you. So as I mentioned, here are your workflows, of course. At that bottom left corner, it says what's new. As you can see, we have 4 updates. We are 4 versions behind. And of course, I wanted to wait to do this video with you to show you how to do it. So you're going to go ahead over to your Hostinger platform in your main screen here, and you're going to go ahead and click on Browser Terminal right at the very top right. Okay, once you have your browser open, we have to type in 3 things in this order, starting with step 1, and that's Docker compose pull. Don't worry, I'll have everything down below in the description, so you can just copy and paste, but for now we're going to type it out. So Docker compose pull. All right, so you're going to start seeing this thing do its thing here. Once this is all done, you'll know once it's all complete, and we'll go to the next step. All right, that was fun. Now, once that's complete, of course, the next step is going to be step number 2, and we're going to type in Docker compose down. All right, that should be a bit faster than the last one. And then for our final step, we're going to do Docker compose up space -d. And there you have it. It should be nice, updated, and complete. Now to verify that, we're going to go back over to our workflows, take a look, and see if those updates have been applied. So now we're back on our page. As you can see, we see a few things here. We have get started faster with our pre-built agents. We didn't see that before. Let's go ahead and click on what's new. And as you can see, all those things are here to let you know what we have in the new version of n8n. But of course, the update is gone because now it is completed. So it's that simple, that quick, and under 3 minutes. Again, you have any questions or concerns, let me know down below. And of course, if you want to know those exact same words to type in, it's down in the description. All right, till next time, my name is Ken. I appreciate you guys clicking on this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.